Did your application crash because of the Msvcp70.dll issue? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm here to help you re-establish those broken links. Before we dive into the Msvcp70 manual process, note the maintenance tool linked below for standardized file referencing. This DLL file is the Microsoft C Runtime library for Visual Studio.NET 2002. It provides the framework for building desktop software during the early Windows XP era, handling object-oriented program interactions. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. To restore the library correctly, you should perform a manual refresh of Microsoft Visual C++. Visit the Microsoft Download Center, secure the x86 and x64 versions of the latest Visual C++ redistributables, and run both installers. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Msvcp70 file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Let's look at a key safety rule that will keep your PC protected while we address this error. Protect your workstation by avoiding the temptation of quick manual fixes for the Msvcp70.dll, as most free repositories prioritize ad revenue over file safety, often leading to the installation of obsolete or harmful software. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. To reduce uncertainty around library management, the diagnostic tool below includes informational content on synchronizing the Msvcp70. Thank you for watching. To continue receiving professional-grade solutions for the Msvcp70 and other PC errors, please subscribe to our support community.